Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 148 Bradford Street, Unit 13 in Bristol, Rhode Island. This is a private one bedroom, one bathroom apartment located in Bristol, Rhode Island. This is a single unit, perfect for young students or a single or small couple. This unit has panel floors throughout and is conveniently located next to Roger Williams University. The bus stop for that university is right outside the building. Here we have the bedroom. This bedroom has a large double door closet. Walls have been repainted as well. Going out into the main living dining room area, you can see it's equipped with a gas stove, stainless steel fridge. Also has studio lighting. Moving to the bathroom has a tub and shower, as well as tile floor. And the walls have been repainted for this as well. And this unit is managed under Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as making rent payments online and access to a 24-hour service hotline number for all your maintenance and repair needs. Again, this is 148 Bradford Street, Unit 13 in Bristol, Rhode Island.